Nano Banana AI is gaining massive attention right now, and after testing it myself, I was truly impressed. This tool allows you to generate complete 3D building models from just a single Street View photo, or even a screenshot from Google Street View. The best part? It's entirely free. Interested in learning how it works? Let's get started. First, go to aistudio.google.com. In the top right corner, click on Get Started and sign in using your Gmail account. If you're logging in for the first time, you'll need to accept a few terms and conditions. Once inside, check that Gemini 2.5 is running the Nano Banana model for image generation. After that, you're all set to start creating images directly within the chat box. I'll begin by uploading a street view photo from my laptop. This one's of a well-known building in Nepal. For my first test, I wanted to keep things simple. So I picked a structure with a clear surrounding context. Here's the exact prompt I used. You can copy it directly if you'd like. The output turned out quite impressive, with solid results and nicely captured details on the 3D building. Once I have this image, I can easily download it and upload it to any 3D AI platform to generate a complete 3D model. There are plenty of these sites available. Some are completely free but may run a bit slower, while others offer free trials before requiring a subscription for advanced features. Most of these AI platforms also allow you to edit the model. You can switch between different viewing modes and even download the 3D file. From there, you can seamlessly import it into software like SketchUp, Rhino, or other 3D programs for further refinement. Here's another quick test, this time with the Natapo temple in Nepal. For this one, I used two different views of the temple while keeping the same prompt. Of course, you can switch it up to generate other perspectives, like a front or side view, depending on your needs. The results came out pretty well, honestly, even more impressive than the previous building. I've downloaded all the generated images and I'll walk you through them one by one. The first image is of the initial building, which I also converted into a 3D model using AI. Next, here are the different generated views of the Natapo temple, along with the various drawing styles: a vector drawing, a blueprint with annotations, and even a hand-drawn sketch with notes. Now, while the AI isn't yet capable of displaying accurate measurements, the overall output is still very impressive. Looking closely at the hand-drawn version, the AI actually did a pretty decent job of assigning materials. Another interesting detail is that it automatically placed these drawings into architectural sheet templates, complete with proper titles and names. You can also generate buildings directly from Google Maps and Google Street View. For this test, I chose a 3D aerial view of the Palais de Salo, a historic landmark in France, and captured a screenshot of the building. I always try to find the clearest possible angle, since that helps improve the results. Once you have your screenshot, you can simply paste it into the Google AI chat box using the same prompt. The AI generated a 3D model successfully, but this time the outcome was a bit different from the original photo, probably influenced by the surrounding buildings. Even so, the material texture and the way it captured the French architectural style are quite impressive. And that's a wrap on my quick test with Nano Banana AI. Honestly, it's fast, fun, and incredibly accurate when it comes to generating 3D building models directly from photos. If you found this walkthrough useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to BIM Design Studio for more tips, tutorials, and experiments with the latest design technologies. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what kind of buildings or projects you'd like me to try next with this AI. This is BIM Design Studio, building smarter, designing better.